what's up everybody? It's Meredith, Shirk Training. I'm super excited for this awesome back workout today. We're gonna get sculpted, we're gonna get lean, we're gonna get toned, all those awesome things just in time for you to start wearing some awesome dresses or tank tops or whatever you wanna do. So let's get into the workout. You know the drill, we do it all together, so let's go. All right, first one is an up and an out. So up and out just for a warm up because this is for your back. So we're going up, down, out together. Up, down, out together. We're going 30 seconds here. You really want to focus on when you're coming up, squeezing, down, squeeze like you have a pencil. Up, up, down, out, in. Up, down, out, in. What you can do too is have your hands facing each other. You can change it up a little bit. So you can start to really feel the difference of where you place your hands, how your feet are situated, if your toes are pressing into the ground, if your heels are pressing into the ground, all of that good stuff. Good. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and out. Now we're going chicken wings. So from here, just chicken wings. Right? So doing all back. All back. So you think it'd be your shoulders, right? But it's all of your lats back in here. So big muscle groups pulling and squeezing like right underneath of your armpits. Might have a little bit of water coming in. You hear it in the background? Boom, boom, boom. I have to drink water too. I'm a human. You guys should be drinking water during these workouts. Good. Pull it up and squeeze. Pull up and squeeze. Good. Pull up and squeeze. Nice. Good. Breathe here. Up and squeeze. Pull up from your back and don't shrug, right? You want to keep those shoulders down as you pull. Breathing, nice. Pulling up and out, good. And be on the ground for these next ones here. So make sure that you pull in that core. Down, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here, isolate the back of your arm, and just hold it here for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and drop it down. So now on the ground, take your time, or you're taking a seat here. So the first thing we're doing is an alternating saw twist. So it sounds a little bit weird, kind of like a Russian twist, but it's not. What we're gonna be doing is you're gonna be coming up over the top, reaching, and you're gonna be reaching. So you really wanna do is be reaching through their back and lengthening here. So up and lengthen, so 30 seconds. You can touch from side to side. You can also come and do these from side to side. A lot of the times it's flexibility, which is the problem. And if flexibility is the problem, what you wanna do is just make sure that you're doing a workout that feels like you're hitting the same muscle. So from here, if I'm saying, oh gosh, it's really hard for me, what I wanna do is just bend a little bit. Then becomes more of my back and less of my legs. Good. Good, reach across and reach across. Now if you're advanced, you can come up and reach. Up and reach across. Really focus on your back here. 3, 2, and 1. Take a big breath because we're flipping over. Down dog to a cobra. So down dog to a cobra in your push-up position first. So push-up position, pushing down to a down dog, then pushing, and then sitting straight up into a cobra. Down, and then to a cobra. So if you notice, my hands are nice and spread. I'm not gonna fall in the pool for you guys. Down, and then to a cobra. So that my wrists don't have so much pressure on them. Because the last thing you wanna do is put too much pressure on those wrists, and then you're gonna be really sad when your fingers start to hurt. Good, push down. Good, look up to the sky. Look up to the sky. Down. If this is too much, put those knees down for a second. Take a breath here. Stretch it out. Push back here. Push back. And let's go 2 more. 1. And last one. Push it back. Really stretch it out here. Reach up to the sky, because that next one, we're gonna be doing an alternating Superman. So push back. Why don't you just walk your hands back if you can. Don't fall in your pool. Inch your feet forward. And next, we are going down into an alternating Superman. So an alternating Superman on your mat, turned over, is we're gonna go to one leg. Okay, right arm up, left leg up. Left and right. Okay, really just swimming here almost. Alternating, and if you want to make it a little harder, come off the ground. Right, so I'm going, okay, right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. Too much for you? Just reach it here. Try to extend out and put that head down. Extend out, put the head down, because right from here, we're gonna go to a plank row. So basically a push-up position, good. Good, really push through here, nice. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just take a second here. Take your fingertips, try to pull them all the way up and stretch out your arms for a second. Take a big breath. Now in push-up position, sorry if I'm very sweaty, very hot out here. Push-up position, and you're just rowing. So same things with your hands. Okay, you want your hands nice and wide, and then you're gonna row up. So if this is too hard for you, what I want you to do is just push-up position, still too much, knees down, same kind of deal. This is a really great exercise, even if you're on your knees. Good, pull, and pull. So if you wanna do it from here, right, push-up position is pulling forward. Good, breathe, really solid on that core. You need to drop down, take a second, pull your arms back, twist them a little bit. And really this is about making sure that you can do this workout. Do the actual workout with me. Don't push it to where you're doing something you're not doing right. Do it 3, 2, and 1, down. Now swimming. Take a second and think about what I just said. You're here doing this workout, stretch it out. You wanna do this the right way. So with me here, swimming, what we're doing is like an alternating Superman. So a swimmer is basically an alternating Superman really fast, okay? So what I want you to do first is lift your legs off the ground, lift your arms off, and then just move both of them up and down. If this is too much, what you can do is just one at a time, swimming, almost like that alternating Superman, but then you're just switching. 4 and 4. Or if you want to, really go for it here. Good, 10 seconds, 9, 8, push yourself here, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold it, hold it, hold it, and down. Workout. If you're not sweaty like me, you are not doing this right. But if you did like it and you did get sweaty, then you're gonna love this next workout. So make sure you check it out, love, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.